Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix cellular data not working issue on iPhone. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Make sure that cellular mobile data toggle is turned on. You should check out that your cellular data toggle is turned on. If it's enabled green, however, won't work, then turn all data off. Now wait for a few seconds and again turn on, and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone, and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check for career update. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending, download and install the update, and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is reset network setting. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. Reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Tap on reset network settings to confirm this action, and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact with support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix cellular data not working issue on iPhone successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.